Yo, what is up everybody? Let's talk about cameras and how we turn photos into hard cash. Look, I get it, life gets busy. You buy a camera, you're super stoked to shoot everything in sight. Then, slowly, it ends up on the shelf, gathering dust. But what if I told you that camera, that phone, could be your side hustle? Stop ignoring your camera and start earning cash. Are you missing out on the opportunity to get paid to take photos? Yeah, you heard me right. We're talking about turning that neglected piece of tech into a money-making machine. Let's turn things around. Today, I'll unveil how to revive your gear and transform it into a money-making machine. It's easier than you think to turn your passion into profit, so stick around and let's get started. First up, let's talk about selling those epic shots online. Think of it like this: you've got a digital storefront and the world is your customer. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, even Etsy, they're all hungry for fresh, high-quality images. And guess what? You've got them. Now before you upload that blurry photo of your cat, let's talk strategy. Stock photos aren't just random snapshots, they're about capturing concepts. Think clean backgrounds, good lighting, and subjects that tell a story. Ever notice how many stock photos have people laughing at salads? It's weird, right? But that's what sells. Okay, maybe not salads. The point is, think commercial. What would businesses pay for? Travel, lifestyle, people working, these are all gold mines. And hey, even those random shots you think are meh, you never know, someone might need a photo of a pigeon wearing a tiny hat. Don't underestimate the internet's appetite for the strange and wonderful. Next up, keywords are key, literally. When you upload your photos, tag them with relevant terms so buyers can actually find your masterpiece. Think about it. If someone's searching for majestic eagle soaring through the sky, you want your stunning eagle shot to pop up, right? Don't be afraid to get specific. Instead of just mountain, try snow-capped mountain range at sunset or hiker reaching summit with epic view. The more detailed, the better. And hey, if you're not sure where to start, check out what other successful photographers are doing. A little research goes a long way. Pricing is another beast altogether. Don't undervalue your work, but also, don't scare away potential buyers with astronomical prices. Research what others are charging for similar images and find your sweet spot. And remember, consistency is key. The more high-quality photos you upload, the better your chances of getting noticed and making those sweet, sweet internet dollars. Alright, so you've dipped your toes into the stock photo world, but now you're feeling ambitious. You're ready to ditch the day job and become a full-time freelance photographer. Listen, I've been there. It's daunting, but trust me, it's possible. It all starts with a killer portfolio. This is your visual resume, your chance to show off your skills and style. Choose your absolute best work, the photos that make you go, damn, I took that. Make sure it's diverse, showcasing different styles and subjects, but still cohesive to your brand. Next, find your niche. What are you passionate about? What do you excel at? Maybe you're the go-to for stunning portraits, or perhaps you capture the energy of live music like no other. Having a specialty helps you target your ideal clients and stand out from the crowd. Speaking of clients, where do you find these mythical creatures? Start locally. Network with businesses, reach out to event planners, hit up your local coffee shop and see if they need some fresh photos for their website. Don't underestimate the power of word of mouth. Tell everyone you know you're open for business and let those referrals roll in. And hey, the internet is your friend here too. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can connect you with clients worldwide. Now let's talk money, honey. Setting your rates can feel awkward, but remember, your time and skills are valuable. Do your research. Check out what other photographers in your niche are charging. Consider your experience level, the scope of the project, and any additional costs like travel or editing. Don't be afraid to negotiate, but know your worth and stick to your guns. And one last tip for all my aspiring freelancers: always over-deliver. Go above and beyond for your clients, provide exceptional service, and watch those glowing testimonials roll in. Okay, so you're selling your photos online, you're rocking the freelance game, but you're ready to diversify your income streams even further. Let's talk about creating your own photography products. Remember those stunning landscape shots you're so proud of? Why not turn them into breathtaking prints? People love decorating their homes with unique art, and your photos could be the perfect addition to their walls. Think beyond standard prints too. Canvas prints, metal prints, even acrylic blocks can add a touch of modern elegance to your work. And speaking of modern, let's talk about photo books. Remember those dusty old photo albums our parents used to have? Yeah, this is the 21st century version, but 1,000 times cooler. Create stunning photo books showcasing your best work, travel adventures, or even themed collections. Platforms like Blurb and Artifact Uprising make it incredibly easy to design and publish professional quality photo books. But wait, there's more. If you're feeling extra creative, why not design and sell merchandise featuring your photos? Think phone cases, tote bags, t-shirts. The possibilities are endless. Websites like Redbubble and Society6 allow you to upload your designs and handle all the printing and shipping for you. It's a fantastic way to earn passive income while showcasing your unique style. Now, for those of you who love to share your knowledge and passion for photography, why not create and sell online courses or workshops? Share your expertise on topics like composition, lighting, editing, or even specific photography genres. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare make it easier than ever to reach a global audience, eager to learn from experienced photographers like you. Don't forget about in-person workshops. These can be a fantastic way to connect with other photographers, share your skills, and earn some extra cash. Scout out scenic locations, plan engaging activities, and market your workshops to photography enthusiasts in your area. Remember, diversifying your income streams is key to building a sustainable photography business. By exploring different avenues for selling your photos and sharing your expertise, you'll create multiple revenue streams and safeguard your income for the long haul. So there you have it, guys. 3 incredible ways to turn your passion for photography into cold, hard cash. Remember, the most important thing is to just start. Dust off that camera, pick up your phone, and get out there and shoot. The more you practice, the better you'll become, and the more opportunities will present themselves. Ready to start making money with your camera? Take the first step today and unleash your creative potential. Remember, the sky's the limit when it comes to turning your passion into profit. And for even more opportunities to make money with your photography skills, let me introduce you to PhotoJobs. PhotoJobs is a platform that connects photographers with a wide range of gigs and opportunities, from photo assignments to freelance projects. Whether you're a beginner looking to gain experience or a seasoned pro seeking new challenges, PhotoJobs has something for everyone. Plus, their user-friendly interface makes it easy to browse available gigs, submit your work, and get paid quickly. Joining PhotoJobs gives you access to a global network of clients, flexible working hours, and the opportunity to showcase your portfolio to potential employers. It's the perfect platform to take your photography career to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Visit today to sign up and start earning money doing what you love. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity to turn your passion for photography into profit with PhotoJobs. Link below. Until next time, keep shooting, keep creating, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.